So this is Minnie Mouse's jet plane.
I know.
And it comes with Daisy, Minnie Mouse,
some luggage pieces,
and the plane, and some chairs up there. Her around. Hi, comes with a Coco in there. Hi, Coco-licious.
Bye now. No, we're not. He's not for sale. We're keeping him forever.
He's in a happy place. He loves the mini jet plane.
Time to blast off! Ready, Coco? Are you ready to go back in? Want to go back in? Go in. Coco. Want to go in? Go, Coco. You can do it.
Looks like you take me.
Good boy.
You made it.
Why do you shove yourself in there?
That'd be funny.
Time for blast off.
Oh, watch out. Someone's going to fall off.
Really? Oh, Coco's luggage.
Oh,
That's bad to be. Now, the real question is,
Cuidado, Cristina.
how do we get him out?
I know. How about we floating?
He's making his happy noise. Yeah.
That's funny.
Hi, your Coco-licious. I know you like it in there. But that's Christina's toy.
Oh, they did that toy. I know.
Are you going to share your toy with Coco, Cristina?
Yeah.
That's very nice because he likes it.
I